Hi, these comments are for Dr. K. This is Michael from BetterTOEFLScores.com. I'm getting ready to listen to a speaking practice test that, excuse me, that you sent yesterday. So let's take a look at the actual writing prompt. You saying choosing between exercise and eating healthy foods, which one has a greater benefit in helping you live a longer, healthier life? Seems like both are good, right? Exercise is important and eating healthy foods is important. It's like you got to have both. All right, let's see how he answers this
Because
question.
healthy food fuels our eating healthy food provides more benefit to live longer and healthier life. Because healthy food fuels our body. On the other hand, high fat, high sugar food ruins our health.
Okay.
For example, people who consume trans fat more than 20% of daily calories intakes have 5 times greater risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, which are the leading cause of death. Moreover, high sugar food not only does worsen diabetic patients, but also causes the inflammation in everyone's body, leading to the cellular senescence and shorter lifespan.
Okay. Wow. So I think that you gave some good benefits of eating healthy foods, and you discussed the negative effects of eating unhealthy foods like sugars and trans fats. Okay, so let's go over to the actual rubrics here. See how you did. I think you're pretty close to 23. Maybe I'm going to say maybe 22 to 23 points out of 30 on this practice test. Let's listen to it one more time.
Eating healthy food provides more benefit to live longer and healthier life. Because
I would say to live a longer and healthier life.
healthy food fuels our body. On the other hand, high fat, high sugar food ruins our health.
You want to say ruins our health.
For example, people who consume trans fat more than 20%
I would say people who consume more than 20% of trans fats. I think that's probably a better way to order that
of
sentence.
daily calories intakes have 5 times
Of daily caloric. I would say daily caloric intake. So I would take calories and change it to an adjective by using caloric.
greater risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, which are the leading cause of death.
Okay.
Moreover, high sugar food not only does worsen diabetic patients, but also
They not only what? That's I'm having a little trouble understanding that.
calories intakes have 5 times greater risk of developing cardiovascular diseases,
Okay.
which are the leading cause of death.
Okay.
Moreover, high sugar food not only does worsen diabetic patients, but also causes the inflammation in everyone's body,
Yeah, but
leading
also
to
cause. So good grammar not only plus verb but also plus verb. So that's a very balanced sentence that you just
the
said.
cellular senescence and shorter lifespan.
Okay, so I think overall when I'm looking over here at the rubrics, yeah, I'm thinking maybe a little bit below 3 we had some intelligibility problems. Sometimes I have to listen to what you said a couple of times to make sure I'm clearly understanding what you're saying. So part of that, it's just getting familiar with the sounds, pronouncing the sounds in the words that you're speaking and making sure you're pronouncing them clearly. So I'm going to put you maybe 22 points out of 30 on this practice test. So as you continue to do your delivery practice or pronunciation practice, pay attention to those medial and those final consonant sounds and make sure that you clearly pronounce the syllables, all the syllables in the words that you're speaking. And thank you for completing this practice test.